Uteti wigie kumbwo gwa kamiti njeru ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC niguo undu uria uheirwo uritu munene umuthi thiini wa igongona riria rikurehete anyiti itemi matiganite kwaririria wigie mawatho ma ithurano. Akiaria igongona-ini riri mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo MUSYOKA niekireire nganja wirutiri wa thirikari hari guteithiriria mihang'o ya kumbwo gwa kamiti njeru oro undu umwe na mendekithia ma riboti ya NADCO ona gutuika spika wa bunge Moses Wetangula kugerera ndumiriri iria ithomirwo handu-ini hake ni muikariri gitu wa kamiti ya watho George Murungara yugite ati ni itacoketie makinya mega.
The implementation process of the report of the committee is on course with demonstrable political will.
Political goodwill, contrary to what my brother Hassan has said, my submission is lacking.
As Parliament, I'm glad to note that we have already kick-started this process in line with our constitutional mandate of enacting legislation.
Third pakiro etagwo broad-based government. Maundu maingĩ nĩ maiguithanĩirio. Makiria thekiro etagwo select committee ya area igucagora ma commissioners.
Kalonzo augite ati igucerithirio gwa kumbwo gwa kamiti ya IEBC ni kuraima Kenya mwe ihoto cia gukorwo na atongoria ma kumarugamirira thiini wa bunge ya bururi na cia county na ningi gakorwo iri muhinga munene hari kwambiriria mihang'o ya kurora weru mihaka ya icigo cia ubunge.
The delay in reconstituting the IEBC denies them their legitimate representation in Parliament as well as the county assemblies.
Delimitation of boundaries of constituencies in the manner stipulated in Article 89 of the Constitution is still a pending issue.
No ona thengia wa mirugamo ino ngurani kamiti ya PSC ni itetetio ni undu wa gukorwo itagukuruhania ritwa ria KOKI MULI kamiti-ini ya kwamura makamicina erwa IEBC. Kalonzo akiuga ati PSC ni iragarara kihoto gia atumia gukorwo magikuruhanio kamiti-ini ino na njira iria ibatie.
Nothing stops the Speaker of the National Assembly from forwarding the names, including that of Dr. KOKI, to the President, so that we can now get because of selection panel, then we'll get on with the important matter of identifying the commissioners.
However, there was a pending court case relating to the constitution of the panel, and this explains why the process is yet to commence.
Disputes arising from the formation of the IEBC selection panel require to be speedily resolved to ensure that the process of establishing the new commission, which is a requisite, is concluded.
Ndeto igie gutigirira watho wa maiganania no athingatithio ikiigirirwo metha-ini. Kalonzo akiruta mukana wa guthii igoti-ini guthing'iriria bunge ifunjwo ta uria mucirithania munene wa tene David Maraga endekithitie.
Some of us will go to court, to the Supreme Court, and make an application that the advisory by Chief Justice Maraga be made declaratory.
Ni kugeire na ndereti igie mamwe ma mendekithia ma riboti ya NADCO makiria maria megie kumbwo kwa wabici ya minista munene hamwe na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro. Atongoria makiheana maoni megie kana bururi ni ubatie guthii referendum niguo kumbwo wabici ici.
These are matters that they require a referendum. Whether you're going to have an office of office of the official leader of opposition, or prime cabinet secretary becoming prime minister.
The dilemma has always been, how do you go about attaining this, and especially when Kenyans out there are crying over bloated parliament.
Hadini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gojiri.